Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be walking you through Mailchimp email marketing. This will be a super easy tutorial that'll get you up and running even if you're new to email marketing. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just exploring how it works, you're in the right place. So, Mailchimp is a popular email marketing platform that helps individuals and businesses create, send, and manage email campaigns. It provides tools for designing emails, growing an audience with sign-up forms, automating messages, and analyzing performance all in one place. Alright, so let's quickly talk about the pricing so you know what to expect before diving in. So just go to pricing. So down here, you can see the different plans available along with their features. First, you've got the free plan, so it's $0 per month and with a limit of 500 contacts and email support for the first 30 days. Then you've got the essential plan, which is $13 per month for 500 contacts. It has 24/7 email and chat support. Then you've got the standard plan for $20 per month, still with 500 contacts, 24/7 email and chat support. And then you've got the premium plan, which is $350 per month for 10,000 contacts, phone and priority support, and the rest of the features. Yeah, so these are the plans available. So based on your business needs, you can select a plan. So click on sign up. You're going to have to enter your business email, a username, and then a password. And once you're done, you select sign up. Now a confirmation email's been sent to your inbox, so you're going to have to verify your email. So just go to your inbox and verify it. Next, you're going to fill in your first name, last name, business name, and phone number. Now we're on the address page, and this part is really important. Mailchimp requires a physical address to comply with anti-spam laws. It shows up at the bottom of your emails to let subscribers know you're a real business or creator. Alright, next question. What best describes your organization? So just select all that apply. Alright, so for this tutorial, I'll select e-commerce, physical retail, and consumer services. Now you're meant to select your top goal. Okay, so it could be driving sales, revenue, or conversions. It could be sending emails people find helpful or entertaining. Or it could also be growing your list of email subscribers. So let's select this one. All right, next. Click continue. Now we're being asked what are the most important features for your business. So you can select all that apply. So for this tutorial, let's go with email templates, forms and landing pages. Let's add automations and contact segmentation. So if you've already got a site that has your logo, images, colors, and fonts and all of that, you can easily just import it here. Yeah, but if you don't, you can just click on skip. So let's skip this. Now you need to confirm your industry. Okay, we've got a couple of options here, so just choose the one best suits your business. So let's go with jewelry, luggage, and leather goods stores. Once you've selected your industry, you click on confirm. Now, Mailchimp is asking for an estimate of your email contacts, so you can just come here, click the drop down, and select one. So let's go with 0 to 500. Just gonna go here, okay, then next. Mailchimp will of course try to recommend a plan, but for this tutorial, let's go with the free plan. Now Mailchimp's preparing the account. Mailchimp has the option of connecting your business platform to it. So you can connect your online store to it. It could be your Shopify store, WooCommerce, Wix, or any of these. It automatically syncs your data. For this tutorial, let's select I'll do this later. Great, now we're inside the Mailchimp dashboard. If this is your first time, don't worry, it's easy to navigate and I'm going to walk you through it. So let's start with the main sections on the left. So on your left hand menu, you've got campaigns. So this is where you create and view all your email campaigns. You can start a new campaign, check out reports for sent emails, and manage drafts. So just think of this as your email creation hub. Then next you've got automations. So here you can set up automated workflows. These could be welcome emails for new subscribers, follow-up messages, or anything else that happens automatically based on triggers. Yes, and it's a really big time saver. Then you've got forms. Forms are how you gather emails from potential subscribers. Whether it's a sign-up form or on your website or a landing page, you'll manage and customize them to grow your list. Now let's talk a bit about the campaign section. So this is where all the action happens when it comes to sending your emails and tracking their performance. So first you can see a list view. So this shows you all the campaigns you've created and their statuses. And then you've got the calendar view. So this is a very helpful tool to view all your campaigns by date. This just gives you a visual overview of your campaign schedule, making it easy to see when emails are going out and plan ahead for future campaigns. So if you'd like to start a new campaign, you can select Create. So View Analytics helps you track the performance of your campaign. All right, now that we've looked at those important sections, it's time to create an actual email. So you just go to Home, and then up here you see an option to create email. Yeah, so you can see that you've got the option of designing your email, which is the next step, of course. So let's go with this. Alright, now that we're about to create an email, Mailchimp is going to ask us how we want to design the email. For beginners, I recommend using a fully designed template option. Why? Well, this choice gives us a professional looking template to start with, so we don't have to worry about designing the layout from scratch. It's perfect if you want to focus on getting your message across rather than getting stuck in design details. Yes, but it all depends on what you want. But for this tutorial, let's go with a fully designed template. Alright, so once you select fully designed template, a bunch of templates will pop up, and to use them you're going to have to start a free trial. But you can use the preview feature to see what it's going to look like when you use it. So you can see the desktop view and the mobile view. So this is what it's going to look like if you choose to use it. Yeah, but bear in mind that if you'd like to use these fully designed templates, you're going to have to start your trial. Alright, so you can choose the one that suits your brand or your business. So let's go with this one. Select apply. So now we're about to create the email or edit. So this is just a basic layout, so there's not much here, but we can add a few things and make some adjustments. So first we've got this sign here. So this could be our logo, so this can actually be replaced by our logo. So you can just set your logo here, and then down here this text can also be edited. Yeah, so you've got heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and all of that. Well, it depends on which looks nicer. Alright, so we could just change the text here a bit. So let's give it something else. Alright, so let's give this a black background. Okay, let's go with this. Now if you'd like to edit this further, so you can just click on it, that's the text. And then you can see a couple of options here. But if you like more, you can just come to these 3 dots. And then I'd like us to change the alignment a bit. So let's take it to the middle. Yeah, so it looks better now. So here you can add an image. You can just replace this. Yeah, so just click on add image. So you can upload images from your file manager or just use the ones already listed here. Yeah, as you can see here, we changed the image. And you can also come down here, edit the text, and you can edit the button text here. That's the call to action. Alright, so we just added some text here, changed the call to action. You notice something that when you tap on a particular section of the email, the tools here change. Yeah, so let's go to this part, changes, and also just towards the end. So here's where you've got your links like Facebook, Instagram, and even Twitter. Yeah. Alright, so let's have a preview. Alright, so this is what your email is going to look like once it's sent. So you can have the desktop view and the mobile view. So once you're done, you can just simply save and exit. And that's how you make use of the features in Mailchimp email marketing. I hope you found this useful. Thank you.